Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how easily you can schedule messages on your iPhone. Now you can do that on iOS 12 or even iOS 13. And of course you can schedule an iMessage or a simple SMS. It's very easy. You can send any message to any of your contacts in the future, just schedule it. It's very easy to do. All you gotta do is just make sure you install a shortcut, which I'll leave linked right down below in the description of the video. Once you have that shortcut installed, the first thing you will need to do is make sure you go to settings and go to general, go to background app refresh, make sure this is on, and make sure you turn on the switch right here at the shortcuts. So it needs background app refresh to be enabled in order for this to work. And then it's pretty simple. Just go to the shortcuts app, tap on the shortcut right there. It will take you to the list of your contacts, and here just pick the contact to which you want to send that message. Tap the message right here, click OK, and now it will show you a pop-up where you can choose the date and the time when you want to send that message. So for some reason it doesn't automatically go to today, but it goes to January right there. But let's just scroll down and find the today date. Okay, so here we are today. So right here you can see I can schedule a message to send anytime today or even in the future. So any date you want, you can schedule it right there. So here I just will send a message to myself just basically to test this. So today it's 1:35 right now. Let's go 1:36 right here. Click OK, and now let's just go out of the app, and in a few seconds it should send the message. So let's just wait here a bit. Once it is done, you will hear the sound that the message has been sent. That's really awesome. Very nice, very useful feature to have on your iPhone. I don't know why Apple didn't put this on the iMessage app, but of course you can do that using this shortcut as easy as that. Now let's go to the messages here, and as you can see, the message has been sent right there. It says delivered, the message has been sent. So all these messages that you can see right here, I have sent them all using this shortcut, and it works flawlessly. Just make sure you have background app refresh enabled, and make sure you leave it in the background. You leave the shortcuts app open in the background. Now this works also on iOS 13. I have tried this on iOS 13. The only problem I see here is that it doesn't give me the option to choose the time, just the date. Probably this will be fixed, hopefully, with an update of this shortcut. If it gets updated, I will leave the new link right down below in the description of the video. Maybe it's a problem with iOS 13. We will have to wait and see for that, but I will update you with anything new regarding this shortcut. So pretty simple. Go ahead and schedule any messages that you want on iOS 12 and iOS 13. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.